Welcome to Live and Grieve, a grief education program from Tri-Pillars LLC. I'm glad you're here. Let's begin. After a significant loss, the smallest things can feel monumental. Making dinner for one instead of two. Walking past their side of the closet. Waking up and remembering again that they are gone. Rebuilding daily life is not glamorous grief work. There are no breakthroughs, no epiphanies. It is the slow, repetitive labor of learning to live in a world that has been rearranged. Worden calls this his third task of mourning, adjusting to a world in which the deceased is missing. He breaks it into 3 dimensions: external adjustments, like taking on new responsibilities, internal adjustments, like renegotiating identity, and spiritual adjustments, like questioning assumptions about the world. Strobe and Shute place this work squarely in restoration-oriented coping. It is the practical, forward-facing half of grief, the part that involves figuring out how things work now, who pays the bills, who cooks, who drives, who fills the silence. Wolfelt writes that this kind of daily reconstruction is itself a form of mourning. Every mundane task completed in the absence of the person you lost is an act of courage, even when it does not feel courageous. You are not just going through the motions, you are rebuilding, and rebuilding counts even when it is invisible to everyone else. The Live and Grieve program supports reconstruction across every dimension. 52 weeks of guided grief education at tripillarstudio.com. Thank you for joining this session of Live and Grieve. Take what you need and leave what you don't. To learn more or find a facilitator near you, visit tripillarstudio.com. We'll see you in the next lesson.